Hi guys, it's Sejol Vibes. Welcome to my video. So how are you doing? Hope you are doing fantastic. Is entrepreneurship boring or exciting? If you're an entrepreneur, sometimes you feel lonely. You get bored. You are doing the same thing over and over. There is no one you can blame. If anything goes wrong, it's your fault. On the flip side, if you do a job and you make mistakes, at least you can blame others that it's their fault. You can point the finger at your boss. It's his fault. But when you are an entrepreneur, you cannot blame anyone. Everything happens in your business, that's your fault. You cannot deny the responsibility. If you do something as a hobby, you can do it when you feel like doing that. If you don't feel like doing that, you can give up. That's absolutely okay. But when you do a business, you start something, you cannot say you'll not do that because that's a business. It's not a hobby. You have to be consistent on your action. Even though sometimes you may feel bored and you don't like to do that, you should have discipline. You should take action in time. So, yes, sometimes it gets boring doing something over and over. You want to be an entrepreneur, it doesn't mean you love all the tasks you have to do. There are some particular tasks that you don't like, but you have to do that because it is related to your business. Maybe other part of the work you love, but that particular task you hate. Still, you cannot avoid that. So you have to take it and swallow the pill. Being an entrepreneur is very exciting. You are the one who run the business. You are the one who decide what to do. And when you're right, you're making money. You're doing better. It makes you very happy. You can make money doing a job. You work for others, and at the end of the month, you get the salary. But when you do a business, you make profit. And when you see the cash inflow, it feels great. It shows you're doing things right. And all the boring part of being an entrepreneur just removed from your life. You will not remember those things. And it's very exciting to be on the journey. It's a journey. You have to move forward. There are ups and downs. You have to be prepared for that. You have to manage the finances. That's very important. No matter what kind of business you do, if you cannot manage the finances very well, your business will fail. Finance is called the lifeblood of a business. So you have to generate cash inflow. Otherwise, at some point, you are bound to close the business. So, yes, being an entrepreneur is very exciting. At the same time, it can be boring. So, it's up to you how you see this. I think it's very exciting. So, what do you think? Please feel free to share your thought in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.